I'm so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown. To reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they built can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun to what can't be done. Let's go beyond, push to live.
Hello everyone, we're going to meet a 3-year-old sensation, Aamina Thanzeela.
Yeah.
She has grown beautiful mint near the windowsill. Hello Aamina.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you?
3 years old.
Can you look at here and speak? Okay, look here. What do you need to grow mint?
I need sand and rice washed water.
Okay, what about the mint?
Mint?
You don't need a mint cutting?
I need cutting.
Okay, that's cool. So, just need a whole mint cutting and sand and rice wash water.
Rice washed water.
Yes, okay. So, with this, she has grown beautiful mint here.
And I grew some flowers.
Okay, thank you. This is jasmine blooming nicely. Oh, wow. Look at here. This is amazing.
Well, the other one has not grown yet. But the other one
Wow, wow, wow.
that, the other one has grown.
Look at here, the mint. The additional gift what you are having is, yeah, pollock, spinach. Or what we just heard from Aamina Thanzeela, that is growing flower plant as well, jasmine. See how beautiful bloom. There is our Aamina Thanzeela finally harvested mint for us. 3-year-old who has grown mint. The power of rice was water.
And sand.
Yeah, exactly. Wow, Aamina, your mint harvest very beautiful.
This one.
Oh, it's so aromatic.
That's not this.
Super, super. Enjoy your harvest. All the best. Thank you, Aamina. Hello.
Huh?
Thank you. See you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Hello, Aamina.
Hello.
Which class you are in?
Studying KG1D in DPS.
Okay. Today is a Mother's Day, right? So you are always helping your mom to grow your own food naturally near the windowsill.
100% vegetable.
Wow, that's superb. So what feed you are giving you to grow your own food naturally?
I give desert sand and pour the rice wash water daily.
Wow, that's a magic. Okay, this is here. Now, the windowsill, you can see this is spinach varieties, this is mint, and here the tulsi is here, and so lusty green. Oh my god, that's superb. Look at here the mint. It's a mint forest. So nice. And such a it's growing in. This is curry leaves.
And this is the mint.
Okay. So thank you, Aamina. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi everyone, I'm helping my dad prepare biryani. But do you know what I'm going to do with this? I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to put it for my plants and they're going to do biryani for themselves. There's one little thing we have to do. We have to sometimes water them and
Wow. Aamina, which class you are in?
KG2D.
You love a natural way of growing your own food? See, this is what she already left, like that's the excitement of the kid. If you show them the way to grow our own food, what more different can make it. Now see, this is biryani for human. Now this is biryani for the plants, right? So what is here? The onion peels, ginger peels. What you are seeing so far, an amazing journey of unstoppable born leader Aamina Thanzeela. Before KG1, KG2, grade 1, now she is in grade 2 in DPS, Dubai. She is also an innovative and a well-being ambassador of grade 2. What we are going to see here, an amazing way of, a unique way of fertilizing the soil to grow your own food. The fastest way of composting, natural composting. That's what we're going to see here from Aamina Thanzeela. And growing over 200 plus plants, indoor plants, right, in one bedroom apartment and discovery garden. And she has a very unique way of doing the composting, that ultra fastest way I would say, without worrying about wet waste dry waste ratio in a typical composting. This natural composting. Aamina, now can you show me, this is what, see, this is the vegetable waste. To show you guys, explain the concept. So you kept, this is the one that just one day old, means like today morning you can say these are the vegetable peels. Can you open and show? See, banana peels, cucumber peels, onion peels, so some of the curry leaf stems and beetroot peels. Yeah, and now this is, put it over here. To understand the concept much easier, this is the one day old, this is few days, 4 to 5 days old. See that how there is no air is there, closed, so how the stuff is very juicy. See that. See, this is pickling, the fermentation already started actually. Now this one is more powerful, we can mix directly with the soil. Okay, now the juicy stuff, see that how juicy.
I actually love doing this.
Yeah, see now this is what punching, mixing. See that there are excel, there are banana peels, there are cucumber peels, carrot peels and beetroot peels. See, so the tool is very simple, mixing, punching very well with the soil. So then rotate, the soil will come up, then this will go up, mixed very well. See that, that's how juicy. This is ultra fast, I would say fastest way to.
This is the plant's juice.
Yes. Aamina, how far you love composting?
Like 100%, like max.
Great, that's 100% like
love gardening.
You love gardening, yeah. So when you are small, 3 years old, you used to grow 200 plus plants in. Yeah, Aamina, how many plants you used to grow?
200 plus plants.
In the hall itself?
Yes.
In discovery garden, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
But we're living in an apartment now, so it's getting harder to like get some plants. So I grew some plants in my balcony, mint, curry leaves, small tomatoes. There are many plants.
Oh, that's great, great. Now this is what she's doing, the composting, natural composting. Now let's see, after this punching, you have to cover up this with the soil. Almost after 5 minutes of punching, Aamina made the things almost half. It was almost full. Now with this, she made it almost half. See how juicy stuff. Cover it up with the soil. Now the same one, normally you should do in the used curd baths and all this stuff. See here, Aamina, can you dig this, dig the soil?
Yes.
These are the desert sand, can. See that, see that, see that, see that, see that. Earthworm, earthworm. See that.
Where?
Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. Aamina. See that, Aamina, how many earthworms? See here? No, 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 don't go. See. I'll use the tool to.
I can see it.
Yeah.
There's
See?
two earthworms.
Too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
and then 5. Where's the first one?
If
I want to
you-
grab one.
You can
I
grab.
want to grab one.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's dancing.
See that?
I think you can touch it.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Keep it in your hand.
That's a little bite.
It will not.
Ah. No, you're going to stay with me. You're going to stay here.
Put it in the back and the side.
No, this is my pet now.
See? Now this is the power of natural composting.
I'm gonna
Yes,
grab
you can-
another
you
one
can-
and put it here.
You can have it this in a few weeks. So many.
I want to grab one.
See, there are so many.
Where is
Put it
one
back, Aamina.
more?
So thank you so much.
Like that.
Our action is most important aspect so that they can follow rather than what we say. They give more importance to what we do than what we say. So I'm damn sure this will be the definite inspiration for the younger generation to grow their own food irrespective of wherever they are. Space, the place, never be a constraint to grow your own food. Thank you everyone.